Hello, my son Josh is helping me record. So these are all the wonderful flowers that I'm going to put together. So I'm just gonna play and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Just have it right at me, buddy. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some white asters, then I'm gonna kind of mingle it in between this glorious summer carnival foliage. So see what it's doing so far? And then I'm going to take some sedums, I think. Maybe I won't take the sedums quite yet. I am going to take the spirea and put them kind of on the outside. So what I'm doing is I'm making a base, I think. I'm pretty new at this, but I'm having a good time. So there's 3 of those. There's 4 of them. So we're going to put this one on the side. I'm losing some flowers. Can you see this right here? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to just grab a flower that I dropped. Beautiful, glorious. Alright, so I think I'm just going to start adding them in. I'm going to tilt it. I'm going to find that other rose, the same color. So I've got 1, 2, I kind of want it on this side. So I think I'll go down the middle. Thank you, Josh, for helping me. So I kind of have to back up a little bit every time I look at it. Okay, now I'm going to add, so I've got tons of these marigolds. I think I want to add the couple dahlias that I have. I only have a few dahlias. Hopefully we get a long fall and I have a lot more to choose from. Okay, so I'm going to look at it like this for a minute. And then I'm going to put this gorgeous double Jill. Can you see this, Josh? That double Jill right there. And then I've got 1, I'm going to put one right here. And I just open my hand when you try to, oh, this one's got like a weird face, so I'm going to kind of twirl him a bit. Okay, I think I have 1 more. Nope, no more double Jills. But I do have a golden scepter. I'm going to put that one there, facing out. Do I have another one of those? Nope. Running out of dahlias. Oh, I do have 1 more dahlia right here. Can you see this little guy? This one is called a Little Scotty. Isn't that fun? So even though this side doesn't really have a bloom on it, I think I'm going to keep the foliage. Because I mean, we'll see, right? As we pull, oh, or I'll break it. If I break it, then I'm not keeping it. That's pretty. Okay. Now I do have 1 more of this. I think I want it right on that side. Can you still see what I'm doing? As I'm moving it around? Okay, good job. Whoop, lost another flower down. Okay, then I'm going to start adding the marigolds in. So let's see, how do I want to add the marigolds in? Like that. And I'm going to add another marigold in. I'm going to put it over there. I'm going to twist it. So this one has, what I've been doing with these marigolds, where am I? There they are. Anything that's kind of floppy and hasn't grown yet, I just take it off because it's just going to go limp in my bouquet and I don't want that. So where am I missing some oranges? Okay, our battery died for a minute. So this is as much as I've done so far. Now I'm going to add some zinnias in. So I'm just going to plop them out down the center where I think I need some. Okay, or on the side. I'm going to put this one over here. Let's see, where else does it need it? There's a zinnia, zinnia. We're losing this guy. Zinnia, zinnia, zinnia. We'll do one right here. And then this last zinnia will go on this side. And now, one of my favorite things to do is add the sedums at the top. So if I feel, as I say that, I put it on the side. Sometimes I like it right at the top. Like, for instance, in this spot there's a hole. That would be fun to put it there. But this one is going right there. Okay, so where else do you think a sedum needs to go? We got 1, 2, I'm gonna go there. So this is the mixture of flowers from my yard I'm gonna do a bouquet with. I've got roses and zinnias, just a few dahlias. This one's called Double Jill. This one is called Golden Scepter. This one is called Little Scotty. I got sedums, asters, and foliage from, this one's called Summer Carnival Hibiscus. Okay, let me put this together. Another fun one. This has been such a blast. Like, which way does the camera go? There. This has been so much fun. It brings gardening to a whole new level for me. I love making bouquets. All right, see you later. Bye.